Welcome to my channel Health 304. Your daily path to stronger living. Mix honey with this spice to tackle 13 health problems after 60. What you are about to learn has been missing from most medical training for half a century. An integrative physician with over 30 years of clinical practice admitted, I have seen countless patients gain more relief from this simple pairing than from costly prescriptions, yet doctors in training are rarely taught this knowledge. Today, we reveal a natural combination that may be one of the most powerful healing allies. This simple wisdom could save you thousands in medical costs and spare you years of avoidable discomfort. Let us begin. Honey is not just a sweetener. It is a concentrated healing food that has been used for thousands of years in medicine. Every drop of raw honey contains more than 200 bioactive compounds acting together to repair tissues and fight disease. In 2020, researchers discovered that raw honey destroys drug-resistant bacteria that standard antibiotics fail to control. The mechanism combines hydrogen peroxide, a natural protein called defensin-1, and an acidic pH that creates an environment hostile to harmful microbes. No synthetic drug has ever been able to copy this design. On wounds, honey forms a protective shield. It seals in moisture, encourages regeneration, and protects against infection. This is why soldiers in ancient times carried honey into battle as a natural wound dressing. Even today, hospitals in Europe and the Middle East use medical-grade honey for stubborn wounds that refuse to heal. Cloves may look small, but they are among the most powerful spices known to humanity. By weight, cloves have the highest antioxidant capacity of any spice on Earth, more than 30 times that of blueberries. The signature molecule in cloves is eugenol, which makes up nearly 90% of clove oil. Eugenol has been shown to calm inflammation, ease pain, and kill microbes. Dentists still rely on eugenol today to numb tooth pain and protect infected gums. Think of your cells like soldiers under attack by free radicals and inflammation every single day. Cloves act like elite bodyguards, neutralizing damage before it can age or weaken your body. Separately, honey and cloves are impressive. Together, they create a synergy so powerful that researchers describe it as pharmacological magic. A 2021 investigation revealed that honey's natural acidity boosts the absorption of clove compounds by up to 300%, making them far more bioavailable. At the same time, clove antioxidants protect delicate enzymes in honey, allowing both to work more effectively. The result is a coordinated anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant powerhouse. 13 health problems they target after 60 colds. Bronchitis and sinus problems are among the top reasons seniors seek medical care. Honey coats irritated throats, calming coughs, so much so that a Penn State trial showed honey outperformed popular cough syrups at night. Meanwhile, clove compounds fight microbes and clear congested passages. Imagine inflamed, swollen airways struggling to move air. Now imagine honey coating those passages while clove eugenol fights infection. Relief becomes possible from both symptoms and causes. How to use: mix 1 TSP raw honey with 1/2 TSP ground cloves. Take every few hours when symptoms appear. Gum disease, tooth sensitivity, and bad breath affect millions of seniors. Cloves deliver eugenol, a natural anesthetic and antimicrobial. In fact, a 2017 study showed clove oil was as effective as benzocaine for tooth pain. Honey, when used correctly, does not promote tooth decay. Instead, it creates an environment hostile to harmful bacteria while supporting gum healing. How to use: mix 1/2 TSP honey with 1/4 TSP cloves into a paste. Apply to gums for 2 to 3 minutes after brushing, then rinse. Up to 70% of older adults experience poor sleep. This isn't just tiring, it raises risks of heart disease, diabetes, and memory decline. Honey helps the brain produce melatonin by allowing tryptophan to cross more easily into the brain. It also stabilizes blood sugar through the night, reducing mid-sleep awakenings. Cloves provide mild sedative compounds that soothe digestion and relax the nervous system. How to use. Take 1 TBSP honey with a pinch of cloves 30 minutes before bedtime. Nearly 1/3 of adults over 60 live with joint pain. Conventional care often focuses only on pain relief. While honey and cloves address inflammation at the root, clove eugenol lowers inflammatory markers tied to arthritis. While honey provides quick glucose to nourish joints and produce natural lubrication fluid. Together, they calm irritation and promote smoother movement. How to use. 1 TBSP honey plus 1/4 TSP cloves twice daily for 3 weeks, from indigestion to bloating. Digestive problems affect most seniors. Cloves stimulate enzyme release, improving nutrient absorption. Honey acts as a prebiotic, feeding good gut bacteria and reducing harmful strains. Studies in 2018 showed this pairing reduced gut inflammation and strengthened the protective intestinal lining. How to use. Mix 1 TSP honey with a pinch of cloves in warm water. Drink before meals. Over 50 million Americans face seasonal allergies. Conventional antihistamines bring side effects like drowsiness. Local raw honey introduces trace pollens that may gently train the immune system, similar to natural immunotherapy. Cloves reduce inflammatory cascades in the sinuses. How to use. Mix 1 TSP local honey with 1/4 TSP cloves. Take twice daily during allergy season. Signs of poor circulation include cold feet, numbness, or slow healing wounds. Cloves help relax vessels and reduce stickiness of blood platelets, while honey boosts nitric oxide for natural vessel dilation. How to use. 1 TBSP honey with 1/4 TSP cloves twice daily for 30 days. As blood sugar swings, cholesterol issues and insulin resistance quietly damage health for years. Clove compounds help activate insulin receptors, improving their sensitivity. A 2019 trial found clove intake improved insulin sensitivity by up to 21% in pre-diabetics. Honey slows sugar absorption and balances liver function. How to use. 1/2 TSP honey with TSP cloves before breakfast. Memory lapses and fog often linked to inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Clove polyphenols can cross the blood-brain barrier to neutralize free radicals. Honey provides steady glucose fuel for the brain, preventing energy crashes. Together, they may sharpen memory and attention. How to use. 1 TBSP honey with 1/4 TSP cloves each morning. As we age, the immune system weakens. Honey contributes antimicrobial enzymes and trace pollen, while cloves protect immune cells with 30x the antioxidant power of blueberries. How to use. 1/2 TSP honey with a pinch of cloves each morning. Eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis trouble over 35 million Americans. Honey's wound healing ability creates moist, protective environments. Cloves ease redness and itching. A 2020 review confirmed honey-based therapies often work as well as prescription creams without side effects. How to use. Blend 1 TBSP honey with a pinch of cloves. Apply to skin for 20 minutes, then rinse. Chronic stress affects nearly every system, wearing down adrenal glands. Cloves help balance cortisol, preventing it from being too high or too low. Honey provides gentle glucose fuel and trace minerals to support adrenal function. This combination helps restore resilience to daily stress. How to use. 1 TBSP honey with a pinch of cloves in morning and mid-afternoon, the silent driver behind most age-related diseases, heart disease, arthritis, Alzheimer's, even cancer. Cloves suppress inflammatory markers such as TNF-alpha and COX-2. Honey contributes flavonoids and enzymes that neutralize free radicals, halting chronic inflammatory cascades. How to use. 1 TBSP honey with 1/4 TSP cloves twice daily for 30 days. Now imagine 90 days from today. More energy, less pain, sharper thinking, and better sleep. This mixture of honey and cloves costs pennies yet supports immunity, joints, memory, and circulation. Some people feel relief within 48 hours, while deeper benefits grow with consistent use. Try it, stay steady, and share your results below. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Health 304 for more natural health guidance. Your body is ready to heal. Give it the chance. Thank you for watching Health 304.